Hi, Scott Bruder here. So, I had posted earlier about my next project, and what it was after I had taken the time to build this power bar with the voltmeter, I was like, I want to do something more inspired. So, I went out and got myself a 10-foot black extension cord, and the sci-fi bug in me went out and picked out a $25 Canadian reproduction ghost trap. And my plan is to take this ghost trap and build it into a power bar, something I can take with me. Comment, tell me what you think I should do. Give me your feedback. Follow me here on YouTube, Facebook, and you can hunt me down at scottb.ca. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.